Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm at 114 subscribers. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different and we're going to be using this bad boy. Alright then, so welcome back. As I've already mentioned, today we're going to be doing something different. Now, I wanted to learn this, but I wanted to get a trials bike before I learned it because the Enduro bike is quite big and bulky, but I haven't bought a trials bike yet. So today we're going to learn how to static balance on the Enduro bike with an end goal of 1 minute. I want to be able to balance for over 1 minute. So without further ado, let's get on the bike.
Try this on the other side.
Found it. Right then, so the first impressions of that is, I think the movements you make, you know, every small movement feels like a massive one. So it's trying to get comfortable, finding out which leg is the best, you know, which way you're more comfortable on. I felt like when I swapped the stand over and then I started taking my right leg off, I felt like all my weight was going onto my left hand side. So I'm feeling a bit more comfortable with it now, to be honest with you. I think I've been having a look on the internet, as you do, little tips and tricks, and people recommend to let the tires down a bit. So I'm going to do that now, and then get back on the bike, and then hopefully we'll get somewhere. You see that? Right, I thought I'd just take a couple of minutes to get off, have a bit of a breather. Obviously that was quite a long one. It's definitely the longest yet, without a doubt, and I felt really comfortable. So I think the plan now is just to keep on pushing on for a bit longer, but I think obviously I'm going to keep recording. I'm quite confident that I'm going to get past that minute, but I need to just learn to like chill when I'm in that position and I can feel the bike is doing this thing and I'm balancing right. Anyway, I can't get my words out of it because that kind of excited me. It's probably crap to watch, but it's so much fun to do. I love learning new things. So yeah, we'll get back to it, and I'll see you in a bit.
that was a good one. That may have been the longest one yet, I don't know. That's a good one. Oh my god, how good was that? That was so good. I was so pleased with that one. And I'm so pleased with that as well. My god, I'm boiling because of the concentration. I'm a bum with big on this bike. So it feels like I'm poking it up loads. That was epic. That was so cool. Oh my god, how good was that?
Right, so just like that then, we're well within the, obviously we've done it today, we've learned to do it today. That was definitely well over a minute. I don't know how long it was yet, I need to get a timer on it, but man, it felt like ages. At one point I thought, oh, yes, I've got this for as long as I want. And it just felt wicked. But it just goes to show though, you know, that if you're really interested in something, you want to learn something, you just put your head to it, you can do it. And I think, well, it's just the time, I'm sure it's been about 50 minutes maybe, 40 odd minutes, between 40 50 minutes. But I'll get all the stats and I'll put them on the end of the video when it's done. Obviously there's going to be like heavy editing in this because that's a lot of video, and to try and condense it's going to be solid. But yeah, I'm going to have a bit more of a play. We'll go for one more good one and then we'll call it a day.
It was by my first hand of mine. That was not bad, fair play.
So thanks very much for watching this video then, guys. Hopefully it's been a bit different to the talking head videos of late. I've really enjoyed learning that, to be fair, and I didn't think I'd learn it as quick as I did. We've got a few things to introduce to the channel over the next couple of weeks, so hopefully you'll stay with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.